Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to earn free Amazon gift cards for yourself, and it's going to be very easy to do. It's going to be 3 apps that you can check out that you can use on your phones, and it's going to be available for, I believe, both Android and iOS phones, so it's going to be good for everybody, okay guys? So let's get started right now. Alright guys, the first one I'm going to show you is here at podcoin.com, and this is going to be for both iPhones and Android phones. So this is a podcast player that pays you. So if you're a listener to podcasts and this is something that you do anyway, then this is something that this is an app that you could download and listen to it from there and then still earn yourself some money without doing anything else, okay? You're basically just doing as you wish, as you were basically, and you're just changing your podcast player, and now you could earn free gift cards using this app, okay? It's a dream as old as time. Get paid for doing exactly what you normally do with no extra effort whatsoever. Podcoin aims to make that a reality. Users can cash out via gift cards to outlets like Amazon and Starbucks, or use their earnings to make a charitable donation. So here we have, let's see, basically you're getting paid to listen. Earn rewards by listening to just about every podcast ever made. So you don't have to worry about not being able to find the podcast that you usually listen to. So for every 10 minutes that you listen to, you earn 1 of these Podcoin. And for every podcast available, let's see, every podcast is available. So it's saying it's more than 500,000 of podcasts available, and there are 37 million episodes available right now for you guys to listen to. So there are awesome rewards. So you could get Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, Amazon, and other merchandise. So you can see the points conversion is not very high here, okay? This is like 600 points for $1. And you need 99,000 points for one of these Kindle reader, I think. You can also get headphones, and you could get Google Play gift cards. So this one's 400 for $1. You need less points for Google Play, and you need a lot more points for Amazon gift card. Fun with friends. See who listens the most and stay tuned for amazing social features to make podcast discovery a treat. So you can even have a little scoreboard to see, or leaderboard to see who's listening most podcasts and earning the most, I guess. And it's available again on both. So this is pretty good. I think this is relatively a new app, guys. Let's go to FAQs for a second. How does earning work? For regular listening, you earn 1 Podcoin per 10 minutes. For bonus listening, you earn 1.5 Podcoin every 10 minutes. For streak listening, you earn 2 Podcoin per every 10 minutes. And for bonus streak listening, you earn 2.5 Podcoin per 10 minutes. So there are several ways for you to get Podcoins, and you can do bonus listening, streak listening. How long until I get my reward? Gift cards may take up to 3 business cards to process before you can get it. Anyway, so that is Podcoin. That's the first app. So let's look at the Google Play for it. It's only got 3,700 something reviews, and it's at 4 point something. So it's got 4.6 reviews, which is not too bad. And it's majority 5-star reviews, as you can see. So this is not a bad app at all. So you can pay to listen to podcasts, which is very cool, guys. Okay. So the next app I was going to show you is at Bounty at appbounty.net. This one, you discover awesome apps, earn cash rewards. So we've already paid out over 1 million in iTunes, Amazon, and Google Play, and other gift cards now available. Both phones can use this. So let's see how it works. You need to install this app. So you can use your phone to go on it. So it's just appbounty.net to install the app. Then you earn credits by downloading any of our free apps. So within the app, you're going to see the number of points that you get for each of these downloads, okay? And then you can redeem your credits. So once you keep collecting a bunch of these points, then you can redeem them for Xbox Live points, Amazon gift cards, or iTunes gift cards, okay? So that is at Bounty. Let's take a look at their ratings. Wow, there's a lot of people who's reviewed this app. That means there's a lot more installs for it. They're probably at 4.2. Yeah, I was going to say 4.1 actually. So it's at 4.2, and majority, as you can see here, is 5 stars. So that's it for this second one. The third one I was going to show you is called Cash for Apps. And you can get this one at getcashforapps.com. And these two, this one is for both types of phones as well. So it's great for everybody. And what this is about is, how does it work? You basically get free iTunes, Google Play, or Amazon, and heaps of other gift cards for just downloading new apps on your mobile device. So this is very much like App Bounty, the last one. You're going to install this app first, right? So you're going to install Cash for Apps. Then you're going to start picking the apps that are inside Cash for Apps. Take your pick from our selection of apps. They're all free. You can see how many points you get for these types of downloads. You're going to earn points, collect points for every app you download and test out. So you need to use those apps that you are downloading. And then when you redeem, you can redeem for the gift cards that you want. So it's iTunes, Google Play, Xbox, and there's Amazon too back there. There's many other gift cards. So these are just some of the brands that they have shown right here. So just major name brands. Let's take a look at their Google Play. Wow, look at how many reviewers there are for this app. Over 346,000 reviewers. That means there's a lot of downloads for this app. And people are liking it since it's over 4 stars. And look, you can use this invite code CFA for bonus points to start as well. Okay, so there are many rewards that you can get. And let's see, there are nice little tips here on their Google Play description. Let's see, how long does it take me to get a gift card? Most of our users can accumulate enough points for a gift card within just 10 downloads. That's right, we're the fastest paying cash app. It's best to check daily for new offers since some are only out for 24 hours. And how can I get more points faster? Invite your friends to download Cash for Apps and enter your unique referral code upon registration. They receive 20 points to start, and you get 90 points as soon as they download the first app. So this is a win-win referral program. That is very good. So these are several ways here. There are several ways here that you can get earning faster. So you guys just review the description here and see how you can get lots of Amazon gift cards if you want, or other gift cards. As you can see, the 3 apps that you can download and use to work. So two of them are about downloading apps and trying them. And then this first one was about basically just listening to podcasts, and you can earn as well on there. You don't earn as much on here, but you're basically not doing anything extra. So you can't expect to earn too much on something that you're not doing anything, but really just install and then go about listening to the podcast that you usually listen to anyway. So you're just not doing too much extra for the money. So anyway, these are 3 ways you can earn some free gift cards for yourself. Now, if you wish to earn this way, that is awesome, but there's really much better ways to earn money online, guys. And this is definitely not the way I make money online. The way I make money online, guys, is by using a program that is like the one linked in the video description. The first link will show you a program that will teach you how to build an online income that lets you earn passively, meaning that you could stop working and you could still be earning. Okay, so but it's a business that you'll be building, so you need time to build such a business that can generate you a passive online income. And that's what I've been doing. I've been using this business model since 2016, guys, and I've been earning a full-time income with this business model. And you could learn it from the program in the first link in the video description, and I will explain more about that program for you in that link. Okay, guys? All right, I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. All right, guys? So I hope you really liked this video, and I really hope you will start earning money online because it's the best thing that has happened to me. I love earning money online, and I hope you will be able to do that too. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.